Are you seeing ads about a gelatin recipe that can supposedly melt fat in seconds? Yeah, that's SlimPic. And what they're showing you is not what you actually get. In this video, I'm going to break down exactly what happens after you click and why this might be a scam. So SlimPic is being promoted as a powerful weight loss solution. They claim it can burn fat fast, suppress appetite, boost metabolism, and it all starts with this mysterious 3-second gelatin recipe. Sounds simple, right? But here's where things get shady. When you click the ad, you expect a recipe. But instead, you land on a fake health article. It looks like a real news site with logos, headlines, and even a doctor explaining everything. But this is not a real news page. Then you're pushed into a long sales video. This video drags on for several minutes, repeats the same claims, and keeps teasing the secret without actually revealing it. There's even a progress bar designed to keep you watching. And guess what? At the end, no recipe, just a sales pitch for SlimPic pills. Now let's talk about the biggest warning signs. Fake credibility. You'll see logos from major news outlets, but they're not real endorsements. Fake doctor authority. They mention a Dr. Gupta, but there's no verifiable proof this person is connected to the product. Fake social proof. Comments that look like Facebook, but they're not clickable or real. Misleading trust badges. FDA approved seals, but supplements are not approved that way. Unrealistic claims. No pill can magically burn fat without diet and lifestyle changes. Urgency tactics. Only a few bottles left. People viewing now counters. These are often fake and constantly changing. Suspicious reviews. Thousands of 5-star ratings, with no independent verification. Deepfake-style ads. Some promos use AI-generated voices or manipulated videos to build fake trust. When you actually look at SlimPic, it's just a generic supplement. No unique formula. No real clinical studies. No proven results tied specifically to this product. And many users report no results or issues with subscriptions and charges. So here's the truth. The SlimPic gelatin recipe is just a hook. It's designed to pull you into a funnel, build fake trust, and push you into buying something that doesn't live up to the hype. This isn't a breakthrough. It's marketing. So think twice before you buy. If you've seen this ad or tried SlimPic, drop your experience in the comments to help others.